If you're coming from Kartra and you want to transfer to ClickFunnels, then this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can transfer all of your contacts into ClickFunnels.
All right, so as an example, I'm going to use Kartra to ClickFunnels migration, but the process really works in all kind of platforms. So whether you're using LearnWorlds or Teachable or even MailChimp, the process still works. So you just need to follow this step-by-step tutorial. So in order for you to access your contacts on Kartra, simply go into My Communication and then go into the leads. So basically these leads sections are all of your contacts and these are your leads, okay? Now I already actually created a free ebook on the ClickFunnels and this one is already in progress. Okay, so we will start first on this part. So I'm going to create a list called print book purchase and then go into the ClickFunnels and click the create email list and then click the create list and then I'm going to add a group tags there and make that once as a smart list because a smart list is super helpful if you want to automatically add and remove a customer if they do something. Okay, let's say they already bought the books and then you can add them an upsell email sequence on your maybe on your membership, and then if they subscribe to your membership they should be removed in a particular list or something. So I'm gonna call books. I'm gonna call that books and then create a list. Okay, this should be a smart list. I'm going to create another tutorial for this for creating a smart list rule and a follow-up email. But yeah, let's just stick on importing a list for now. So once you've already created an email list, we can then go to the contacts. And then I'm going to go back to my Kartra and then click this 30 contacts here. And then we will select all of them. Select all the 30 contacts and then click the export. And then it will take a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection and how big your file is. So I'm gonna name this as free book or print book purchase. Okay. And then let's open the CSV, double click, and what you will really notice on that first is there should be something like this. So I'm going to remove some of the unnecessary fields here. So middle name, we don't want that. Most of them doesn't have a phone number, so we should be removing that. Otherwise, this will not work on ClickFunnels. So all of the empty columns on that, I mean empty columns in Kartra will be, all of the empty columns in the CSV will not be accepted on ClickFunnels. So you shouldn't be putting any empty columns. Okay, so we're already good in that. I'm fine with the IP address, IP country. Oh, actually, let's just remove that one because this is a bit redundant. We already have a country in here. So I'm going to remove that. So we already have a working file. Last name, there is a last name field, so let's just remove this one. So delete. Okay, so we already have a clean CSV. We can then save that and then go into the ClickFunnels and then click the import. Okay, and then let's choose that CSV. Okay, file. I have confirmed. Let's click the upload button and then we should be mapping all of the fields. Okay, basically this one is the columns on your CSV and then we should be matching that on the ClickFunnels columns. So last name, and then email. We have this address, city, zipped, country, and then we have state. Okay, and then let's click the review button, and then there will be like an option in here to select the fields. Okay, normally this one would work, but for some reason I don't know why it's not working. But yeah, we can just actually add this field here. Let me just try that too. Because there should be an options for that to add that fields. Okay, I think it's because I've set a smart rules. So let me just remove that smart rules. Let's try. I'm gonna try to create a new list. Purchase a book. And then it's called books. And then let's just create a static list. But I will definitely use the smart list on that. So let's just try to import it again. Okay, yeah. Okay, you should use a static list first before you do any smart listing. Okay, because we can come up contacts that registered on a static list called purchase a book will be added on a purchase a book smart list or something like that. So I'm going to create a separate tutorial for that if you want to. So I'm going to click the import, and let's wait for, okay, it's already in queuing. We will need to wait for a couple of minutes depending on how, what I don't really like with Kartra, as I observe, what I don't kind of like with ClickFunnels, as I observe, is when you import your contacts there, it takes a bit long to import and remove a contacts for some reason. Yeah, that is just something I observe, by the way. But yeah, that's basically how it works, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer it. And comment down below if you want me to create a separate tutorial for configuring your smart list and yeah, your smart list, because right now we just created a static list. Okay, thank you.